About this item: portable size, USB fan mini, 4.8-inch frame, size saves space and allows easy, hassle-free portability. Classic design, and concise packaging, in line with the trend. Quiet operation, made of a brushless motor, quieter and longer used. Can be used for 25,000 hours or more, so this is a high-cost performance small fan. Updated 5 blades, unlike 4 blades, it will be quieter and more powerful. Adjustable angles and wind, 3 speed settings allow you to choose the breeze you prefer. Choose the direction of the wind you want with 360-degree up and down adjustment. Super quiet, lower noise, the sound of soft wind mode is only 30 decibels. Rubber pad on bottom, widened frame on the bottom with 2 anti-slip pads, which makes this personal fan stable and prevents vibrations. USB powered. This USB office fan is powered by a 3.9 feet USB cable that can connect to a computer, laptop, power bank, or another USB outlet to make you cool. Minimum power input 1A, Mother's Day gifts. After sales service, every table fan is backed by superior quality and under strict quality inspection. Our aim is 100% satisfied customers. Return at any time and get a full refund when you are not happy with our USB table fan. In the description to get this product today at the best